Good morning. Today my topic is the volleyball. Volleyball topic is very important for the board examination and board practical exam. So today let's start. Topic is the volleyball. What is the volleyball? Volleyball game played by the two teams, usually of 6 players on a side, in which the players use their hand to bat a ball back and front over a high net, trying to make the ball touch the court within the opponent's playing area before it can be returned. To prevent this, is a player on an opposing team bat the ball up and toward a teammate before it touches the court surface. That treatment may then volley it back across the net or bat it to a third teammate who player is across the net. Okay. A team is allowed only 3 touch of the ball before it must be returned over the net. History. The history of the volleyball is more than 100-year old. In fact, volleyball was invented in 1895 by William G. Morgan. This is William G. Morgan. Volleyball Federation of India was established in 1951. International Volleyball Federation was constituted in the 1947. The first World Championship was held of Paraguay, Czechoslovakia. The game of volleyball was started first time in 1964 Olympic, which were held in Tokyo, Japan. In India, the first national championship was held at Chennai in 1952. Okay. Next, main tips at a glance. Number 1, size of playfield. Size of playfield. This is the court of the volleyball. Size of the playfield: 18-meter length and 9-meter breadth. Width of boundary lines of 5 centimeter. Width of boundary line 5 centimeter. Size of the net: length of 9.50 meter or breadth of net 1 meter. Size of net mesh, the blockage of the net, is 10 centimeter. Height of the net from the ground 2 meter 43 centimeter. Height of net from the ground women 2 meter 24 centimeter. Circumference of the ball. Ball circumference, the round of the ball, the circumference 65 to 67 centimeter. Weight of the ball 26 and 280 grams. 260 and 280 grams the ball weight. Name of number of players in each team: 6 member. Number of substitutes 6. Size of the mark on chest and back: length of 50 centimeter minimum and breadth is 10 centimeter. Okay. length of the antenna 1.80 meters. Length of service area 9 meter. Okay. Color of the ball multicolors. Officials 1 referee, 1 umpire, scorer 1, lineman 2 and 4, and 7 member, the official member. Okay. The volleyball court. This is the volleyball court. So next point is the latest general rule of the volleyball. The new rules of the volleyball are given below. Number 1. Now the width of service area is 9 meter instead of 3 meters. The attack line has been extended up to the 1.75 outside on both sides in dotted marking. According to the new rules, libero is a special player in team. He is the player of backline. He is not allowed to attack from to attacking area. He can play only for defense. He wear colors the shirt different from the other players. Neither he can do service, no more, no plate. He is not allowed to smash the ball from attacking. Attacking area. A libero has a fixed position during the game is cannot take part in the rotation. Libero must be printed on the back side of the t-shirt. A libero can be changed any number of times. Number 5 points. Each service has a point as in the table tennis. The rule of the 6th. A color ball is the permitted in the competitions. Number 7 point. Let service is the allowed. Number 8 point of the rule. First 4 set consists of the 25 points each, whereas fifth set consists of 15 points. Number 9 rule of the volleyball. The first service can be received by any part of body, but it should be only a single touch. Okay. Fundamental skills. Volleyball fundamental skills. Number 1, service. Simple service. Number 2, tennis service. Number 3, round service. Number 4, side arm floating service. Number 5, overhead floating service. Number 2, passing and placing. Number 1, chest pass. Number 2, underarm pass. Number 3, overhead pass. Number 3, spiking on attack of smashing. Number 1, one man or single spike. Number 2, two men or complex spikes. Number 4 point, boosting. Boosting में number 1, low setup, half setup, and diagonal setup. Blocking, 1 man blocking, 2 man blocking, and 3 man blocking. A last point, reserve net ball, reverse net ball. Okay. Next, I learn about the type of the volleyball serving. सर्व कैसे करते हैं? These are fundamental skills. Okay. there are the different type of the serve in the volleyball. Depending on your skill level and the competitive stimulations. For beginner, the underarm serve is the most common because it is the easiest to the learn. For competitive volleyball, there are the three main type of overhead serve. The floated, the top spin and the jump serve. Them all of the find out with the one suit your best, but keep in the mind that you will want to be somewhat proficient in all three. Okay. Number one, overhead serve. In high school and college competition volleyball, the overhead serve are the most common and the two men overhead or overhand. Serve are the top spin and the float. The overhead serve is done by the tossing in the ball up into the air, then spiking it with the opposite hand over the shoulder. Overhead serve. Number two, float serve. The float serve is done by the contacting the ball is such a way that the ball doesn't spin, which make it more likely the float. A floater is a must together to pass because the flight of the ball is much less practicable. Okay. Number three, jump service. The jump serve is a serve in which the serve tosses the ball, take and approach and jump to the spike the ball. Because of the importance of timing the toss and jump, the jump serve can be very difficult to the learn. Number four, round arm serve. A round arm serve is also known as a windmill, hook, smash serve. The round arm is really used because it's so difficult to serve in the consistently. For the serve tosses the side line being perpendicular to the end line. Okay. Next, the ball is tosses straight up in the front of the body with both hands so that it will be directly over the serving shoulder. The serving arm is brought from the against the side, strength out and over the head with the elbow cap straight all the times. Contact is made with the ball at a point directly over the shoulder and with the heel of open hand. The ball is hit so it will slightly rise up and go over the net with a lot of top speed. Okay. Next point. Number 5 point, the serving, type of the serving in the volleyball fundamental skills. Number 5, lollipop serve. A lollipop serve is a very soft serve, often served high over the net with the just putting the ball in play. Number 6, serving the heat. A serve that serve the ball really hard is known as bringing the heat or bringing the thumb. Tenders. 7 points. Top spin. A top spin serve does exactly that, spin rapidly forward from the top. The serve has much more perpendicular movement than a floater, but can be difficult to handle to the pass because it drops rapidly. To serve a top spin, you toss the ball a light higher step under the toss. Okay. The next point, and just strike the ball underneath toward the top of the back in the down and outward motions. The arm follows all the way through with the wrist snap. Okay, student? Today my topic is the volleyball. Complete. The first, I learned about the history, ground management, ball weight, and fundamental skills. In a fundamental skills, first point, the serving. So next point, so passing, boosting, and reverse of the ball in the net. So thank you very much, student. God bless.